All right, we're taking a look at this 2020 Hyundai Santa Fe. Seems we have a headlight that's out, so I'm gonna turn the key on here, see what happens. There, got our caution up here. Start the vehicle. You can see that it's showing us headlight low. So that should be telling us the headlight on the low side is out. Let's go take a look. As you can see, passenger is good, the driver is out. So we're going to be replacing that. We've got our hood latch here. Stop the vehicle. Pop your hood up a little here. Let me get my other hand in there. Pull your lever. There you go. As you can see, let me try to get you a better view. I'm going to grab a light so we can see this a lot better. But there's a cap right there. You're going to turn this cap counterclockwise, and it'll come right off. And then we'll take a look and see if we can get a view of that light, that headlight. There she is. And you're going to turn that. I'm not going to be able to get the camera in there, but you can grab a hold of that and you're going to turn it. There you go. It's just a counterclockwise turn about 90 degrees and it pops right out. Right. You can see that clasp. You just pull back on it and you should be able to pull your headlight out of the socket. I don't see anything wrong with this bulb. I don't see anything wrong with this bulb. I'm going to replace it. We'll see if that takes care of it. If not, I might have an electrical issue. You do not want to touch the glass on these. You leave oils on there and it will prematurely burn these out. Let's go get a bulb. Here's a new bulb we'll be putting in. 9500. This is a peak. But the thing you want to do before you unpackage this is put gloves on so you don't get any oils on that bulb and prematurely burn it out. Well, let's get started. All right, let's test out the light. I still have the caution. It's not giving me the warning. Let me turn the lights on. Okay, now that I activated the lights, it looks like the caution went off. Let's go test and see what it looks like. And there we go. We got both headlights. That should be it. Let's go button it up. We just have to put our cap back on and seal that up so don't get a bunch of moisture in there. We're done.